told me what's in store. I hope it's not for sure. Can you open up the door? Did you?
Okay. So, sir, can you share your experience as an alumni of gyms?
Okay. Yeah, so experience as a student, I would say was very good, especially the support that I got from the faculty, the infrastructure, as well as the guidance that I received from the alumni at that time. That was very helpful. It helped me shape my attitude towards life, as well as get serious about my career.
And, sir,